Okay guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to put this, I'm going to call it a nub on here. I will take a little closer look here at the specifics. I'm going to draw just two rectangles and extrude them. I guess they're squares. The first one is 0.114 inches and it's extruded 0.04. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to draw that onto here. And again, here you can see why I put that center axis is another thing, not only to help me with symmetry, but it certainly is a helpful thing here. Had I not had it, I could have put a point in the center of that using diagonals and then run an axis through that. See me if you need a little help with that, but I'm going to go ahead and grow this out. And I'm going to do 0.114, tab 0.114, enter, finish sketch. And then I'm going to extrude that 0.04. Looking at that next piece is a little bit bigger. I'm going to just do that as I'll show you how to put these radii on here. That's going to be 0.06, 0.156 is the dimensions of the square. So I'm going to come back to this here, and I'm going to draw right on that face. And again, doing this, was that 0.156, tab 0.156. And double checking my, yep, that goes 0.06. So I will extrude or finish the sketch. Extrude that. 0.06. Enter. Alright, so almost have it. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and put this little curvature on here. When I come here and I click on that line, it gives me an option. I'm going to shift click. Oops. All right, I got that line. I got that line. I'm gonna go navigate around. I'm gonna do them all at one time. And I'm gonna click on that line. And then I'm gonna click this. And I'm going to put in 0.04. And I will hit apply. And I believe, done all of them. I believe that it has done all of them. Yep, it has. So that is modeling that nub. I suppose the last thing would just be to put one horizontally through here, although honestly to check them and grade them to see our accuracy and modeling skills, this is more than enough. I'd be very pleased if this were turned in. I would consider this 100%. I'd consider it 105% if you also had there's one more extruded hole going through there. If you actually listening to my screencast, bug me about it, I'll give you 105% if you put that little detail in. All right, and thank you.